Hello, students. Minashi Sinha is here with the competitive questions further for all the students who are maths level, especially because they are going to attend different type of the competitions: CAT, MAT, VET, SSC, NDA, UPSC, IPS, ICSC, whatever type of the questions competitions are. Such type of the question very tricky questions and very easy questions. This is the trapezoid. A trapezoid है. We have to find the area of the trapezoid. Area of the trapezoid. Okay? How can we find? Only this is given. What we are given? CF is equal to FB. It means CF, this is equal to this. First condition. Angle, this is 90 degree. Okay. AE is equal to 6. This is 6. This distance is 6 centimeter. Okay. This is. ED is equal to 2. This is equal to 2. Okay. And EF is equal to 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter already. Under this condition, we have to find the area of the trapezoid. चतुर्भुज का हमें एरिया निकालना है जिसमें ये वाले 2 सेंटीमीटर, ये 6 सेंटीमीटर, ये 90 डिग्री कोण है, ये 7 सेंटीमीटर दे रखी है और AB इज पैरेलल टू ये दिस इज AB इज पैरेलल टू DC. दिस इज AB इज दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस. ओके, वेरी टू अस. इस कंडीशन में हमें निकालना है. दीज आर द फर्स्ट condition given. For one condition number 1, that AB is parallel to DC. Condition number 2, CF is equal to FB. Condition number 3, AE is equal to 6. Condition number 4, ED is equal to 2 centimeter and EF is equal to 7 centimeter. What we can do? First of all, we draw a parallel line AD from this. This is the middle point. So parallel to this, it means just is equal to this, passing through F. ये और इसको एक्सटेंड कर दीजिए. एक्सटेंड दैट इज G. दिस पॉइंट इज G सपोज. अब देखिए, now we can see this angle will be equal to this angle, opposite angle. Correct? This already is given to us equal to this, and this is parallel to this. It means this angle will be equal to this angle. It means whole this triangle, this will be equal to just this triangle. यानी इसको अगर सपोज ऐसे घुमा दिया जाए, this is our original figure. If we cut this triangle and shift toward this, then it will become in the shape of square. This is B dash. इसको रिवॉल्व किया, इसको घुमा के इधर लिखेंगे, then this triangle will be just equal to this distance will become this distance, this angle will become this angle is equal to this angle. This already given to arms, that is why only. So this total triangle is equal to this total triangle, and this portion when cut and put here will get a parallelogram. पूरा हमारा एक parallelogram हो जाएगा, इस स्क्वायर टाइप का parallelogram. Area, this is the area of the triangle can be obtained. This triangle, because this is 90 degree, the area of the triangle will be equal to base into height. On the same base, we are having this parallelogram. The area of this triangle can be obtained 1 by 2 into base is equal to DA into perpendicular is equal to EF. This was the point F. EF, that is 1 by 2 into 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 into distance. This is EF is equal to 7. that is 1 by 2 to 8 into 7, that is 56 by 2. This is the area of this triangle, and hence area of this square, which is nothing but the area of the trapezium also, because this portion was shifted over here. Only though they have, only that is the cause only with through which, due to which this figure has been changed. The shape of the figure becomes this way. This is nothing but the area of DGBA. DGBA का एरिया ही DC इसका एरिया होगा, क्योंकि DCBA के बराबर हो, क्योंकि ये वाला ट्रायंगल का एरिया विल बी इक्वल टू दिस, बिल्कुल बराबर है. तो हेंस द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रापेजियम क्या होगा, will be equal to twice of the area of the triangle. Triangle DFA, that is 2 into 1 by 56 by 2, that is nothing but equal to 56 centimeter square. क्लियर? क्या हुआ, ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल है, ये लाइन इसके बराबर है, ये वाला एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर हो गया, ये आर्म इसके बराबर होगी, अपोजिट एंगल बराबर है, ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल, तो ये वाला कोण इस कोण के बराबर ये लाइन कर रही है, तो ये वाला कोण भी बराबर हो जाएगा इसके. ठीक है, अपोजिट कोण है, तो पूरा ट्रायंगल जो होगा, दिस कोण, this triangle will be equal to this triangle, and this triangle gets shifted over here by rotating this BB dash to GC. So this is over here, this will be the parallelogram with we can have the area of this triangle. This is the perpendicular EF. Base is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. 8 into 7 by 2 will be the area of the triangle, and double of this will be the area of the trapezium. This is 56 square cm. Okay, because the area of the triangle was 1 by 2, 8 into 5, 56 by 2, and the area of the trapezium will be 56 square centimeter. Very much clear. Enjoy the maths. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. पसंद तो आया ही होगा, और एंजॉय कीजिए मैथ्स को, कंपटीशन की तैयारी कीजिए. गुड लक फॉर यू.